You don't need a sprawling garden to grow your own food. Some of the best gardening happens in the smallest spaces, balconies, window boxes, or shaded patios. The real joy is in the connection you build with your plants and the satisfaction of harvesting your own food, no matter the setting. Many crops thrive in small spaces, pots, troughs, or even a sliver of morning light. These plants are adaptable and productive, proving nature's tenacity. Forget the limitations of your space. Let's explore 30 remarkable crops that show a bountiful harvest is within everyone's reach. Let's begin. Spinach is forgiving and generous, thriving in partial shade in containers. Harvest outer leaves and the plant keeps producing. One small pot can supply you for weeks. Just keep the soil moist and you'll enjoy fresh, tender leaves far better than store-bought. Spinach is the definition of a productive small space crop. Lettuce loves gentle morning light and afternoon shade, making it perfect for pots or window boxes. Loose leaf varieties let you harvest as needed, and the plant keeps growing. Mix different types for a beautiful, edible display. Keep the soil moist for crisp, sweet leaves ready to pick any time. Swiss chard brings color and resilience to shady corners. Its vibrant stems and glossy leaves thrive in containers, offering both beauty and food. Harvest outer leaves and enjoy months of continuous growth. Chard-proof shade doesn't mean a lack of flavor or color. Radishes are perfect for impatient gardeners, quick to grow and harvest. They need little depth and thrive in small pots, even with some shade. Succession sowing keeps the harvest coming all season. Pulling up that first crisp radish is pure gardening joy. Baby and round carrots like Paris Market are ideal for containers. Use loose, stone-free soil for perfect roots. Harvesting is like a treasure hunt. Fresh, sweet carrots straight from the pot. Container growing means no misshapen roots, just pure flavor. Beets thrive in deep pots and dappled shade. Enjoy both the sweet roots and the tender, nutritious leaves. Harvest greens as they grow, and let the roots mature below. Beets offer a dual harvest, maximizing your small space. Parsley is a kitchen staple that thrives in partial shade in pots. Harvest outer stems and the plant keeps producing. Flat leaf or curly, a single pot can supply you for months. It's one of the most valuable herbs for small gardens. Mint is vigorous, perfect for containers to keep it in check. Pots let you enjoy lush, aromatic growth without garden takeover. It thrives in sun or shade with enough water. Explore varieties like spearmint or chocolate mint for unique flavors. A pot of mint is a sensory delight and a constant source for drinks and dishes. Cilantro prefers cool, shady spots and grows well in pots. Succession sowing ensures a steady supply of fresh leaves. Even when it bolts, you can harvest the seeds as coriander. Cilantro offers something at every stage of its life. Basil loves warmth but benefits from afternoon shade in hot climates. Pinch back flower stalks for a bushier, longer-lasting plant. Pots let you control moisture and warmth for lush growth. Fresh basil on your patio is a true summer pleasure. Strawberries thrive in containers, hanging baskets or strawberry pots. Growing them off the ground keeps fruit clean and healthy. Choose ever-bearing varieties for fruit all summer. A hanging basket of strawberries is both beautiful and productive. Blueberries need acidic soil, making containers ideal. Use ericaceous mix and choose compact varieties for patios. They need some sun, but morning light is enough. Enjoy blossoms, fruit, and autumn color from one pot. Dwarf and micro-dwarf tomatoes are perfect for containers. Compact plants, big flavor. One pot yields plenty of slicers. Minimal staking needed, just sun and water. Grow a substantial crop in a tiny footprint. Peppers love warmth and thrive in pots on sunny patios. Even partial shade works if the spot is warm and sheltered. Choose from sweet or hot varieties for color and flavor. Keep them watered and enjoy a vibrant, spicy harvest. Green onions are perfect for narrow pots and regrow after cutting. Snip the tops and new shoots appear in days. Dense planting means a steady supply all season. It's a simple, space-saving way to enjoy fresh onion flavor. Kale is tough, productive, and thrives in containers. Harvest outer leaves and the plant keeps growing for months. Compact varieties like dwarf blue curled are ideal for pots. Enjoy fresh kale year-round, even in winter. Bok choy is compact, fast-growing, and perfect for containers. It appreciates some shade and can be harvested whole or regrown from the base. Its mild flavor and crunchy texture are great for stir-fries. Bok choy is efficient and rewarding for small spaces. Dwarf peas grow well in pots with a small trellis. They tolerate partial shade and produce sweet, edible pods. Flowers and tendrils are edible too. Add them to salads. Homegrown peas are a springtime treat. Pole beans climb vertically, making them space-efficient for containers. Keep picking and they'll keep producing for weeks. Choose from green, yellow, or purple varieties. A pot of pole beans adds height and harvest to your small garden. Compact cucumbers labeled patio or bush are perfect for pots. Grow them up a trellis to save space and keep fruit clean. Consistent moisture and a bit of shade prevent bitterness. Homegrown cucumbers are crisp, cool, and delicious. Garlic is low maintenance and thrives in containers. Plant cloves in autumn for a summer harvest. Snip green shoots in spring for extra flavor. Homegrown garlic is deeply satisfying and full of taste. Ginger grows well in pots in bright shady spots. Start from a fresh rhizome, keep soil moist, and enjoy lush shoots. Harvest fragrant roots at season's end. It's an exotic, rewarding project for any gardener. Turmeric, like ginger, thrives in warm, shady pots. Its lush leaves add a tropical feel to your patio. Harvest golden roots in autumn for vibrant, fresh flavor. Homegrown turmeric is more complex and colorful than store-bought. Celery loves rich, moist soil, easy to provide in a pot. Partial shade keeps stalks tender and less stringy. Regrow from a store-bought base or start from seed. Harvest outer stalks for a continuous aromatic supply. Bush zucchini varieties are compact and perfect for large pots. Provide rich soil and steady water for heavy yields. Pick small for best flavor and to encourage more fruit. One plant can feed you all summer. Eggplants love heat and thrive in sun-warmed pots. Choose from classic or unique varieties for color and flavor. Consistent moisture keeps fruit tender and tasty. Harvest when skins are glossy for peak quality. Malabar spinach is a heat-loving vine for vertical gardening. Thrives in shade and humidity, producing thick, glossy leaves. Harvest throughout summer when other greens struggle. It's a beautiful, productive choice for hot climates. Arugula grows fast in pots and loves a bit of shade. Harvest outer leaves for a constant supply. Succession sowing keeps salads peppery and fresh. It's a versatile, easy green for any small space. Mustard greens are vigorous, fast, and thrive in containers, even in shade. Harvest young leaves for salads or mature ones for cooking. Their spicy flavor adds a kick to any dish. One pot yields a surprising volume of greens. Tatsoi forms a compact, beautiful rosette, perfect for pots. Cold hardy and shade tolerant, it grows quickly. Harvest leaves individually or as a whole plant. Tatsoi is tender, mild, and a standout in salads or stir-fries. 30 crops prove you don't need a big garden, just creativity and the right plants. Every space, from a sunny sill to a shady corner, has potential. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share with friends. Gardening isn't about boundaries, it's about imagination and small victories. The best garden is the one you create. Get your hands dirty and start your own small space adventure.